Hey guys, welcome back to the Rough Cuts Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the air filter on our 2010 Honda XL700V Transalp. So we're going to be replacing the air filter with a HifloFiltro HFA1714 air filter. To replace this filter, I'll be referring to the factory service manual for the 2010 Transalp. So the air filter is located underneath the tank approximately here. In order to access it, we're going to have to remove the seat, the side fairings, and then we're going to have to lift the tank up to get into the airbox. So in order to take the seat off, you've got to insert your motorcycle key into the side here, twist, pull up, and then pull back, and then your seat pops off. The next step will be to remove this inner cowl piece here. There are 4 tabs. Alrighty, so there's the front cowl. So the next step, we're going to have to remove these side cowls here, these white sections. On each cowl, there's 1 bolt. So down here on each side, there's a number 5 Allen head or hex bolt. Those will have to be removed. And then there's a series of tabs located behind these panels. Is right up here, right there. There's that screw that you're also going to have to undo on each side. So you can see the back here, you've got some tabs here and then here kind of hooked underneath the tank. This is where the front screw that we just removed was from. There we go. So the next step here is to raise the fuel tank. You're going to need a 12mm socket to undo this bolt. So now that we've got the bolt out from back here, what you're going to do is you're going to grab some shop towel or just a blanket or a towel or something to put over your left handlebar. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab your tank, you're going to shift it back, and then you're going to tip it up. Then you're going to take your handlebar, and you're going to rest the tank on the handlebar. So now you can see the airbox here. We've got a series of screws, Phillips head screws here, and that's going to take the lid off, and then we can access the air filter underneath. So you can see here a comparison between the old and new filters. The new filter is a direct replacement. And so here we have the filter. It's going to go back in this orientation. There's a little hole down here, and that corresponds with the back of the filter box here. So just to note, there's a fine gasket that runs along the inside of this base here between the rim of the filter and this base, along with another very thin gasket that runs along the inside lip here. So the next step will be to lower the tank down. One thing that I forgot to mention was to not lift the tank too far up because these fuel lines will disconnect. So this line here goes into this hose that's right underneath here, and this hose connects onto this plastic fitting here. Okay, so we've got those 2 hoses connected on the underside there. This here is the grounding cable. I'm going to make sure that that's underneath the tank. Out of the way. Now that the tank is back down and we've confirmed that the hoses are not kinked, we can then make sure it rests down and then slide it forward. And then it'll be lodged onto the 2 padded mounts on the underside of the tank in these spots. And then we can take our bolt, drop down there, and tighten it down with a 12mm socket. And you can see on the inside of the seat here, you've got these little inserts or slots, and that corresponds with the tank here with these little rubber mounts. So what you're going to do is you're trying to slide those on there, and you're going to need the seat relatively flat to do this. So you line it up, slide it forward until it wants to sit naturally there, and then you can drop it down, lock it. Now the seat's all secure. So that right there is how you swap out the air filter on a 2010 Honda XL700V Transalp. Hope this video helps, and we hope to see you next time. Cheers.